Hey everybody, welcome back. Memorial Day is just around the corner, and I thought it might be nice to make some sort of tribute to all the soldiers that we've lost across the years, pay them some sort of homage. So we're going to make a sign on our laser today, where it's going to be 3 layers. It's going to be painted. It's a little out of my comfort zone. It's not something I've done before, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. So let's get right into it and see how this thing goes. Okay, so to get started, all right, now that the laser's done cutting everything out, we're going to move over to painting. The first color of paint we're going to work with is blue, and on this design, both pieces receive some blue treatment around the stars. And all we're going to do is we're going to peel the tape off of the design wherever we need the blue to be. And the laser design actually did score the tape so that we can do that fairly easily, or so I thought. You'll see here that I actually do struggle kind of getting some of that off, keeping the stars down. The score wasn't quite deep enough, and it's because I didn't have wide enough masking. So I had to do so many layers, and kind of where the layers overlap, it created somewhat of an issue trying to get those off. But I eventually did make it through that, and then we can give it a nice coat of blue paint and let that dry. All right, now that we're done with the blue paint, we can move on to the red. And this is going to be fairly simple as well, but we need to cover up the blue areas we just painted so that the red doesn't splatter onto it and doesn't ruin the paint we've already done. So we're just going to line the blue areas with painter's tape and kind of work our way back to the edge so that we can cover all that blue back up. And then we're going to peel up any masking that still remains where the red is going to go. As soon as we've got that peeled up, we can give that a layer of paint and let it dry. There we have it, guys. The sign's all done. I think it turned out pretty well, despite some of the paint issues that may occur, but all in all, pretty decent for a first try. So that's going to wrap it up for today. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good Memorial Day.